Washington. President Donald Trump's attempt to fire nearly everyone at the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau was paused on Friday by a federal judge, who said she was deeply concerned about the plan. The decision leaves in limbo a bureau created after the Great Recession to safeguard against fraud, abuse, and deceptive practices. Trump administration officials argue that it has overstepped its authority and should have a more limited mission. On Thursday, the administration officials moved to fire roughly 1,500 people, leaving around 200 employees, through a reduction in force that would dramatically downsize the bureau. U.S. District Judge Amy Berman Jackson said she was worried the layoffs would violate her earlier order stopping the Republican administration from shutting down the CFPB. She's been considering a lawsuit filed by an employee union that wants to preserve the bureau. Jackson scheduled a hearing on April 28 to hear testimony from officials who worked on the reduction in force, or RIF. "I'm willing to resolve it quickly, but I'm not going to let this RIF go forward until I have," she said. It's the latest example of how Trump's plans have faced legal hurdles as he works to reshape the federal government, saying it's rife with fraud, waste, and abuse. Other layoffs and policies have been subjected to stop-and-go litigation and court orders. The CFPB has long frustrated businesses with its oversight and investigations, and Trump advisor Elon Musk made it a top target of his Department of Government Efficiency. Mark Paoletta, the CFPB's chief legal officer, wrote in a court declaration that the Bureau's activities have pushed well beyond the limits of the law, including what he described as intrusive and wasteful fishing expeditions. He said officials have spent weeks developing a much more limited vision for enforcement and supervision activities, with a smaller, more efficient operation.